Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to unmute someone on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now, in order to unmute someone on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app. After opening your Telegram app, guys, to know whom you had muted, there will be a speaker with a cross sign. As I have muted this contact, and you can see beside their name, the speaker with a cross sign is available for us, which means that they have been muted. Now, in order to unmute them, open their chat box, and over here on the top of the screen you can see their name. Tap on their name and the notifications option will be available for us. Now if you have customized your notifications, which to mute and which to unmute, you can tap on the simply notifications and go through these customizations for which you had muted them. But if you had just turned off the toggle icon for them like this, guys, in order to unmute them, there is a toggle icon. We just tap on it, turn it on, and that person will be unmuted on Telegram. And then, guys, this is how to unmute someone on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.